Hey guys, JC Perez here of AllStarCharts.com. The trade of the week is going to be the U, baby. Unity Software, ticker symbol U. This has been a big winner for us in the past. You guys following along are probably already familiar with it, probably made some money with it already. This is setting up nicely. In fact, it was really taking off. It's like, man, if this thing pulls back to 175, that'll be a nice entry point. And hey, that's what happened this week. Unity just pulled back to 175. We want to be long. Those are the highs from December of last year. So that former resistance theoretically should and could turn into support. And if it did, and so far it has, we want to be long if we're above that, right? Former overhead supply turning into an overwhelming amount of demand. We want to be long Unity Software, ticker symbol U, if we're above 175 with a price target of 232. Again, we only want to be long Unity Software, ticker symbol U, if we're above 175. Once again, with a target of 232. But wait, there's more. We got a nice little bonus trade for you. Sean over on our options desk really likes the Unity February 200-250 bull call spread for about 10 bucks. So that means we're going to be long the 200 calls and short an equal amount of the 250 calls, again, in February, and that debit represents the most that we can lose. So implied volatility is a little high, so if you're going to do an options trade, we want to sell some kind of premium in order to help finance that. In this case, out of the money calls to help buy some less out of the money calls. So that's a trade. February 200-250 bull call spread for about 10 bucks on Unity Software. And if you're trading the stock alone, we only like it if it's above 175. That's the trade. So if you like this, hit the subscribe button, say what's up at All Star Charts on Twitter, StockTwits, Instagram, YouTube, and are there any other ones these days? I think that's it. Thanks, guys.